In this video, I will show you how to use emojis in Roblox on PC. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently in a game of Blox Fruits. Now to go ahead and use emojis, of course what you're going to want to do is come up to the top left hand corner and open up the chat box. From here, just go ahead and type anything into the chat. So let's put hi for example, and what you then want to do is hold down the Windows key on your keyboard and then press the :/semicolon key. Now what it's going to do is open up your emojis box. It should come up down here in the bottom right hand corner. You can drag it about like this, and all you need to do is go ahead and select your emoji from the list. So you can scroll through just like so. You can see the different categories down towards the bottom as well. And once you've found an emoji that you like, so let's go for the cool face, this one here, the smiling face with sunglasses. Go ahead and give it a click. And what it's going to do is add it to the chat, and then of course you can just go ahead and send the message. So that is how to use emojis in Roblox on PC. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.